What's up, everybody? How you doing today? I'm going to be installing the FitCamX dash cam today on the Civic Si. So let's see how this goes. We just have to remove this trim piece here, followed by this one up here, and then eventually we are going to have to remove this whole dome light trim, not just the lights themselves. I have looked up how to remove this. I've heard this is the hardest part, but the FitCam is plug and play, so it just replaces this whole trim right here. So I'm going to get this open up again. It does come with a trim puller tool, but I'm not sure if it's going to be good enough for that. I did grab my own, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so what we're going to do is on your harness, the side with the foam, you're going to remove the white clip here. We are going to plug this guy into the foam side here, and then your exactly the same looking plug goes right in where that just came from. And you're gonna feed this part in through the headliner so that it comes out here where your camera is obviously going to be connected to. Trying to find, you know, I'm actually just going to leave this loosely tucked into the headliner until we're ready to put that back into place so that we know everything fits. Okay, so we have our camera ready to go up. I'm going to leave the lens protector on just for now because, you know, obviously we want to keep that as safe as we can for as long as we can. You know, I'll just plug this in. Make sure that plugs in fine first. Stop hanging around. Okay, and then it pops into place. Oh, light's already on. Look at that. Alright, so for fitment purposes, make sure everything goes well. Make sure everything sits where it should. I'm going to go ahead and get our trims back into place here as well. And give that a good pop. She's in her home. We are now a fully functioning FitCamX. You know, I lift the screen protector on, but there we go. A fully functioning FitCamX equipped vehicle. We've got our power buttons here, record and power. And I know that my light was flashing already when I plugged it in, so I know we have power. And that's as easy as it is. Alright, so as you can probably tell, it's another day. It's not raining anymore. I did want to just kind of run the dash cam for a little bit, make sure everything was good and smooth. This is the final product. This is how it looks, all complete. As you can see, really, really OEM finish. Everything fits back to normal perfectly. Even from the exterior, you can tell there's a little bit of a camera there, but it's not a dash cam in the typical sense of it's kind of stuck up on a mount anywhere, or, you know, any wires being tucked into the headliner sticking out anywhere. It's just the OE trim right up on the mirror here. So yeah, I will definitely leave a link to the dash cam that I'm using here. It is the FitCamX, as I've shown. Super easy install. Really high quality finish. So I will also be putting up some videos of the actual what the camera gets. It does record some pretty high quality videos. I mean, granted, it's not, you know, as good as a camera or a phone, but for a dash cam, it's always very clear, never loses focus. So I'm going to be putting up some clips of the recordings there. And especially with the extra large mirror that I use, very hidden. Highly recommend.